Namaste everyone. This video is prepared by Miss LRC from Present Vidya Mandir Mamandur and presented by Miss Sudha Sarani. Welcome to your maths class. For class 4, the topic is area and perimeter for the month of October for the week 2, and the video number is second part of 3 videos. Shall we recall what we learnt in the last class? Yes, in the last video we learnt about what is area. Using that, shall we have a small quiz game? Yes, frame the given pictures using strips of paper. Which picture needed longer strips of paper? Can you tell me whether the picture A or whether the picture B? Yes, we need longer strips of paper for the picture A. Then, which picture has a larger area? Can you tell me? Yes, the picture A has the larger area. So now we are going to learn about what is perimeter. So in this video, the expected learning outcome is you will be able to identify the perimeter of different shapes, measure the perimeter of different shapes. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the outline of any closed shape is called its perimeter. Can you identify what is the outline for the given square? Yes. So, the perimeter of shapes formed by straight lines can be measured using two methods. One is the square grid and the next one is the ruler. You know what is square grid and ruler, isn't it? Yes. So first we are going to learn about how will you use square grid to find the perimeter of the given shape. Yes, the sides of each square in a square grid is 1 centimeter long. Count the number of 1 centimeter lines in the outline of the shape. Shall we calculate now? Yes. Here is C. This is one line. So this is 1 centimeter long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So each one is 1 centimeter. So the perimeter is 12 centimeter. Yes, very good. Can you find what is the area of the shape? Do you remember how to find the area of the given shape? Yes, we used to calculate the squares within it. Yes, how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 unit means 1. So there are 7 squares, right? So 7 unit squares. Yes, very good. Clap your hands for yourself. Yes, now using a ruler, we are going to find the perimeter of the square by counting the 1 centimeter lines. So now we are going to learn how to measure using a ruler. So we always start with the 0 point. Yes, and it ends at 4 centimeters. So mark it as 4 centimeter. Then the same way the side 2. Yes, it also ends with 4 centimeter. So for side 3, yes, it is also 4 centimeter. Then side 4 is 4 centimeter. Now we use the ruler method to find the perimeter of the square. Measure all 4 sides of the square. Yes, we done it, right? Yes, using a ruler. So, what is the length of side 1 we got? So, length of side 1 is 4 centimeter, and then length of side 2 is 4 centimeter, and then length of side 3 is also 4 centimeter, and then length of side 4 is 4 centimeter. So the square will be equal all the 4 sides, right? Yes. So perimeter of the square equal to length of side 1 plus length of side 2 plus length of side 3 plus length of side 4. So what is the length of side 1? Yes, it is 4 centimeter. What is the length of side 2? It is also 4 centimeter. The length of side 3 is 4 centimeter. And the length of side 4 is 4 centimeter. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is, yes, 12. 12 plus 4 is 16 centimeter. So the perimeter of the square is 16 centimeter. Very good. Yes. Shall we find the area first? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the area is 4 unit squares. So the perimeter is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the perimeter is 8 centimeter. Very good. So the area of the second shape is, first we'll find the area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So area equal to 9 unit squares. Then perimeter. So the perimeter of the given shape is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So perimeter equal to 12 centimeter. Very good. Clap your hands for yourself. Now for shape C. First we'll find out the area. Area of the given shape is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there are 7 unit squares. Now shall we find out the perimeter of the given shape? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So there are 16 centimeter of perimeter. Very good. So you all done a good job. Clap your hands for yourself. So perimeter of the total length of dash of a shape. Yes, it is the outline of the shape. Very good. Perimeter can be found by using, we learned two methods. What are they? Yes, it can be found using ruler and the square grid. So the summary of this video is, we learned what is the perimeter. Perimeter means it is the outline of the any closed shape. Yes, then we learned how to measure the perimeter. One is using ruler method and the next one is using square grid method. So we'll meet you in the next class. Thank you for watching. Bye.